Hi, in this video we'll view how to install WIN-PAK for the 5 on a server computer. We'll begin by running the installation media, and we'll see the WIN-PAK installation window. We'll let it run. If it asks us to reboot the computer, we're going to allow it, and we're going to reboot the computer. Once the computer is rebooted, it will automatically start the setup.exe file and continue the WIN-PAK installation. On the first window, we're going to go ahead and hit Next. We'll see the information and click Next. In the next window, we'll see some extra information for the WIN-PAK software, and we're going to go ahead and click Next. Next, we'll see the license agreements. We'll click Accept, and it will move us to where we can type in the CD key. We're going to go ahead and type in the CD key that we have on our CD. Once we finish typing in the CD key, the next option will be available. We'll click OK on the pop-up window that comes up, and we'll now have the option to select our type of installation. For the server computer, we're going to go ahead and select Single Server and then click Next. Then we're going to see the complete installation available, and we're going to hit Next. Then we'll see that time and attendance will be installed, and we'll hit OK. Next, we'll have the option to install SQL. We're going to go ahead and select the option for SQL 2014, and we're going to go ahead and click Next. Next, we'll have the option to set up the SQL credentials. We can select with Windows Authentication or create our own username and password for SQL by selecting SQL Server Authentication. For example, for the SQL authentication, we can use admin, all lower cases, and password. We can use the word password with a capital P followed by 123. Make sure you confirm the password, and then we can go ahead and hit Next. Now we will have where we want to have the WIN-PAK Pro folder. We're going to leave the default option, and we're going to hit Next, or you can click Browse and select the option that you want. On the next window, we'll have the option to select where we want to save the following files: the database data file, cardholder image file, batch image file, floor plan file, and the web file. Once you have the destination folders, go ahead and hit Next. Next, we have the option to install our database. We can select automatically or manually install our database. We're going to go ahead and select the option for automatic and hit Next. Next, we'll have the option to create desktop icons, and we're going to hit Yes. Next, we'll have a window with the description of the WIN-PAK installation, and we're going to go ahead and click Next. And we'll see that it will start to install the WIN-PAK software. We're going to let it run, as it could take from 25 to 40 minutes. Once it finishes, it will install the WIN-PAK patches. Once the WIN-PAK patches are finished, we're just going to go ahead and hit Return, and it will automatically close.